Welcome to a quick overview of the EliGE settings that he's playing with. Now, ProSetting.net is an amazing site to check out for different settings of players. And here you got the mouse Logitech G Pro X Superlight. This is his crosshair. He got a dot, a view model, a launch options, a video settings. So we got resolution 1680, aspect ratio 16:10, scaling mode stretch, brightness 92%. Advanced video settings. So if you want, you can just like pause this video and just like copy these settings. And then when you're gonna go further, this is his HUD, the radar, and you can download also his config if you want to. And this is like the Zoe XL2566K, the settings, and he's playing on brightness 65, contrast 50. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.